Dumelang Sanbonani, greetings. My name is Nkosnatu Mukwena, and welcome to today's very special episode where we're featuring a very good friend of mine, Mr. Ngobeko Mkize. Mr. Mkize, take it away, my brother.
Instead of saying this is too difficult, just say challenges help me to grow. With these challenges, I will learn and I will grow. Do you get it? Instead of saying I'm afraid of making mistakes, I know we are all afraid of making mistakes. We all want to be perfect. That's the truth. Even I want to be perfect. I'm working for being perfect. I'm working for a perfectionist towards it. But instead of saying that, just say mistakes, they help me to learn. As a if you are doing mistakes, you need to learn from those mistakes. Let us be a lesson. Asibone ukuthi umistake ufunde from this mistake. Do you get it? From your mistakes, you must learn, you must grow from them. Instead of you saying, I don't understand, just say, I can keep learning up until I get it right. Up until I understand. Lastly but not least, instead of saying, I have faith, just say, I won't give up. The key takeaway is to keep on trying. Each and everything that you know today, yesterday, whatever that you will be taught today, just know yesterday, at some other day, at some other point, there were times whereby you were not aware of anything that you see around. But should I call you and be like, I'm having trouble with my multimeter, I can't measure the reach, but Mr. Mkize, this is how we do it. That's because you have learned. But the takeaway to everything, guys, you need to protect your life, which is your mindset. Ungavumeli amazwi, ungavumeli abantu bangene ngaphakathi kwingadi yakho. But in the words of Mr. Jurani, ngaso sonke isikhathi yakhe ingadi yakho beautified yenze ibe. The aim, Mr. Jurani says, the aim is to attract what? The butterfly, not to chase it after them. But local when you are protecting your garden, which is your mindset. So each and everything that you share, mina ngibona ukuthi if singaqala silungise isimo sengqondo ethu kulungile mina mayiqale kumina, then we can idlulela kuminye, we can idlulela kuma-colleagues. But most importantly, it starts with you. I always say that key is what? The code is DIY. Do it yourself. And then once you fail in the 12, what's that? There is a neighbor or something. But most importantly, keep on trying, never give up. Thank you so much, guys.
Well, I hope there's something that we've learned from watching this video. It's very important that we take care of ourselves, we take care of our mental well-being, because everything we do, it first starts here, then it flows to our hearts, and from our hearts, everything will flow from there. Until next time, take care.